Hey guys, this is my tutorial on how to get free EasyBloggers. You're going to want to go to www.k as in K ynno.app, and you're going to scroll down. After you read all this stuff. It tells you what EasyBloggers does and how to do it. Then you want to visit main store. That's going to give you the slurl, and you're going to go, okay, we're going to go there. Whoosh. Maybe. It might take us a minute. Depends on how the grid's doing today. So this is the EasyBloggers system. This is their main store. And we're going to let everything load because it's going to take a minute. See, you got your documentation and request a new package. You're going to click that. Doop, and it's going to pop into your inventory. You will open your inventory. Maybe. Go to recent, and there's your package. And I seem to have put it on my hand. Let's go back to my store. Oh, well, not my store, my skybox. My skybox of doom, where I just keep stuff. It's just stuff. I don't really actually have any, like, a house or anything. I just have this box up here where I keep my stuff. Okay, let's take that thing off of our hand. You can do it. And I'm going to res it. And inside of it is EasyBloggers, search access, all blah blah. All these things, right? I already have this somewhere in my inventory, so we're going to go here and we're going to go KYNO, and I'll find the folder. It should be in here somewhere. There it is. Okay. And so what I have out here, this is the Dropbox, and this is the thing you can wear as a HUD, or you can just click on Access My Account, and you'll get a pop-up, and you're logged in. Wow! So you have events and stores. If your event, if you have you're in an event and they say they're using EasyBloggers, it'll show up here. If you hit users, this will show you all the people that use EasyBloggers as bloggers. These are the bloggers. You have your dashboard, which tells you what's the new, these are where if anyone has blogged your stuff, it'll end up here. These are pending invitations because you will invite bloggers. I'll tell you how to do that in a minute. These are the people who are blogging for you. These are your invitations. These are bloggers can send you an application. These are the products. I'm going to show you how. Let's first just go ahead and okay. So what you do is you will pick from up here. It'll be up here. This is where you pick your item. And then if you have a demo, you can put it in there. But if they're blogging it, I'll go ahead and give them their whole address. This is the name. If you have a location, you add location. These are any locations that I've set up. How to add a location, create a location, name it, and have the URL, the slurl, basically. And I have Shop and Hop, so that is my main store. If you use an event like I did Flourish like a year or so ago, and they actually used EasyBloggers, so you would put it in there. Priority normal is just whenever you get a chance. You can have high and very high. Deadline, you can't use deadline unless you upgrade. This is the free version. Then you can have your whatever comments, and you just put the texture UUID right here, and it pops up. And then you save changes. So these are the products, the 5 products that I have that bloggers can vlog. If you click post, you'll see if there are any posts from people that have blogged your stuff. These are the people that took my stuff, and this was over a year ago, so I can see see they did my jacket, and this is the link to their blog. We'll see if it does not come up anymore. Let's see if this one does. This one should come up. See, she used my patent top and my Rory skirt in a blog post. Yay! And you can see that, but that was from an event. So then your mailbox is if anyone sends you a message. You can use easy subscribers. We go to settings and we go to subscription. Um, Free, you get this is free. You get free prim feed, which is up to 4 pictures, uploaded up to 50 megabytes, um, 90 days, upload videos. You get newsletters and 10 subscribers. Everybody has more than 10 subscribers. You can have three bloggers and 5 products, and you get 3 links per blog post. This is it's the free version. The next version up is the starter package, which is 500 lindens a week, which isn't too bad. I think I might, if the bloggers work out and they actually start blogging, I might go up to the 500 lindens a week, just because I get a gold check mark, woo, and I get 1,500 subscribers. But I use the Fred Allendale kiosk subscriber kiosk already, so that's not a big deal to me. But to have 50 bloggers and 40 products would be nice. Not that I probably have 40 products, I don't know. But that is how you use that. I mean, I still have these pending invitations, even though I already have my 3 bloggers. Woo! So I'll just keep those in case I go up. Settings. You have your profile, stuff about you, general. Um, it does not allow you to change your store picture or your name or anything. Audit log, bloggers application. You can fill out an application. Friends are bloggers that are allowed to request items from your store, but they bypass deadlines and priority settings. It's like they are the VIP of your bloggers. Eh, these are my locations that I have. Notifications, preferences, you know. So, and that would work with your prim feed. We all know about our prim feed, right? We all know how to work our prim feed. So I'm going to show you now how I find bloggers. I go to users and you'll see those icons up here in the corner. This is Flickr, of course, and that is their website. Flickr, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X as they call it now, and website. So what is that one? I don't even know what that one is. Oh, that's DeviantArt. I didn't know some people use DeviantArt, but I just look at their style and see if that's somebody that that like matches my style. Um, I usually go to their Flickr to see what their pictures are and see if I think they would be matching my style. Like some people, even if you read their little thing, this girl's gothic. Um, she does kawaii style. It just depends on what you're looking for. See, she does interior design. I don't do design. I don't. I am clothes. He's probably a little more gothic, and I don't make any men's clothes, so it would be pointless for me to get him. Um, just look for the ones. I would prefer a blogger in English, so if I need to talk to them, it would be easier. So anyone that's in like a different language or says French, we probably wouldn't match times or language. It just all depends on what you're looking for a blogger. And I also like to see if they've been active because they have posts of all time and you want to see how many they've done this month. Like 24 this month, that's amazing. They must like blog like 2 or 3 times a day. And then you see some people that it's what, the 7th of October and they haven't posted anything. So are they still blogging? That's just how you find yours and you just send them um, you click on their name to send an invitation and then you click to invite them. That's all. And you can see their last the 10 last posts that were accepted through bloggers. You can see who they are. That's it. But the to get set up, um, you need to actually go to the store. Or you can, if you've already logged in, you can request your package, update your status, um, all of those. But it's easier just to go to the actual store, which is the Solero, which you can get from www.kynno.app app. And view pricing again, it's zero. I had some people today say that I was just trying to sell stuff, and that's why I was telling people about this, but I'm not trying to sell anything. I don't get anything. There's no referral bonuses. I'm just trying to be helpful. That's all, really. So please, don't don't buy it if you don't have to, and don't blame me. That's it. Thanks.